What is up, everybody? At Hershey this year, I picked up this epic 1954 Clipper glove box. It only cost me about 300 macaroni noodles. But many of you know that I don't own a 1954 Clipper, but that's not an issue because I found another epic use for this glove box. What most people don't know is that I also have a Buick Model 20. And fun fact, they did not come with the glove box from the factory. So we're gonna make this the first Buick Model 20 with a 1954 Clipper glove box in it. Let's go, we're making history right here. There we go. So what we're gonna do is just take the glove box and set it in the proper location. Right over here. That's looking pretty good. Look at this, is such a fast install, look at that. There we go. Installation done. Actually, we could probably center that up a little better. Hold on. There we go. Now it's installed, looking perfect in this Buick Model 20, right above the 6-volt battery. That's probably from 1940. There we go. The installation is already done. This has been such an epic video. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys later.